Hello everybody. Today I've got an Arrma Senton. I'm going to be unboxing it. We're going to see what the truck comes with and just how good it looks straight out of the box. First thing obviously is to cut the box open. Safety first, put the knife away. Lift the top off here. Pretty box art on this thing. Alright, so as you can see, I went with blue and white there. Still got the plastic on it. Let's go ahead and pull it out of the box here. So, there it is, the truck. I'll go ahead and set it on the counter here. Looks pretty good to me. It's a beautiful sound right there. Alright. Truck looks pretty cool. Also in the box here, got our accessories. Charger and controller should be in here. Alright, so there we've got the transmitter and charger. Charger is an actual AC type charger. Plugs into your wall, plugs into the battery there. Pretty cool. Alright, let's check out that transmitter. Spectrum. Feels pretty good actually. I like it. Alright, so pull the body off of this guy for the first time. Of course, being Arrma, it's got the body clip retainers there, so you never lose them. And you can see the truck comes with the battery in there. I'm going to take that guy out and give it a charge before we rip it for the first time. Held in by Velcro. Pretty dang easy. I give you a 3300 milliamp battery there. It's a hump pack. Pretty decent. You can see it's a brushed four-wheel drive version here. Got Arrma's 12-turn brushed motor and their four-wheel drive system. And then a Spectrum servo in there for you. Pretty cool. Can't wait to rip it. First things first though, I'm gonna charge that battery. Alright, here we are at our local wall socket. First things first, before you plug in the battery, plug in the charger. Always plug in the charger first. There we go. Now, you can plug the battery in. You can see it's got a little LED indicator there. I'll go ahead and plug this guy in. Alright, and then we'll set that to charge until that light turns green. Up on a countertop there, out of the way. Alright, here's another view of the brand new truck. That's unboxing of a brand new Arrma Senton 4x4. Just the brushed motor in this one. Blue and white looks awesome on there. Of course, let me know if you think you would have preferred the black and red edition. Personally, blue's my color. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.